Good morning, everyone. I'm Khushbu Shah, and I'm the founder and CEO of Cloudamize. Cloudamize provides optimization and planning tools to help companies manage their cloud efficiently. Currently, we are saving our customers between 15 to 65% of their cloud cost. So what's so different about cloud? In the traditional data center setting, infrastructure was too slow to change, and it was expensive. It took months to add servers and required negotiations with CFOs and sometimes even corporate. Often you got it wrong, and if you had too much capacity, that caused waste, and if you didn't have enough, that caused customer dissatisfaction. Cloud promises to remove these problems. It allows businesses to add capacity within few seconds, so that now businesses can add or remove servers and manage the capacity that follows their actual usage. You can get these benefits of the cloud if you use it right. Otherwise, the problems from the traditional data center get carried forward into the cloud setting. In fact, businesses today are spending at least 40% more than they need to just because their capacity doesn't meet their actual usage, with the estimated waste of about $4 billion a year. So what's causing this inefficiency? Let's talk about one of our beta customers. Let's call him Joe. He's the CTO of a large online media company. He decides to move all of his 1,000 in-house servers to the Amazon cloud. Once he gets to Amazon, he has many server options to pick from. He has standard servers, first generation, second generation, high CPU, high memory, high I/O, high storage, cluster compute, cluster GPU, cluster high memory, 20 options, so he can pick the server which is the right thing for his business. Then he has about 10 storage options, 60 different pricing plans, and 2 marketplaces where he can bid, buy, sell servers for cheap. So in the end, he has 12 million options. So he does his best, weeds through all these options, and picks his best guess. And because the cloud is dynamic, and so is his business needs, he has to do this exercise monthly, weekly, and some cases even daily. And this is not just Joe or our 15 beta customers. It's every single business that is using the cloud infrastructure today. That is at least 2 million businesses just in the US are going through the same problem. They are all overwhelmed, and that's what's causing this inefficiency. This is what we've been hearing from some of our beta customers. We are spending too much. We don't know the business impact of the cloud infrastructure. It takes too long to find a problem on the cloud. We know that we need to optimize, we just don't know how. With Cloudamize, now you do. Cloudamize optimizes cloud infrastructure, gives 40% cost savings and 100% peace of mind. With Cloudamize, now Joe can select the target level performance, and Cloudamize will give him the ideal infrastructure that meets his business needs. With Cloudamize, now Joe can build different scenarios and understand the business impact of every scenario. Finally, Cloudamize comprehensively monitors Joe's cloud and finds problems, allow him to do faster diagnosis in a very simple, intuitive way. So in this way, Cloudamize removes inefficiencies from Joe's cloud and optimizes it and finally delivers on the promise of the cloud. The way we optimize, we don't just cut cost, we also maximize revenue. We provide hedge fund-like strategies to optimize the infrastructure, which is a generational leap over the existing approaches in the market today. This is where our core IP is being created. Our first utility patent will be filed by end of this month. There is competition in the cost efficiency optimization as well as comprehensive analytics space, but we are the only ones who is doing business impact-driven optimization today. Our target market is infrastructure as a service cloud market. TAM is 1.4 billion today. It's increasing with the CAGR of 40%. Our initial target market is businesses that are using Amazon Cloud with the spending more than $25,000 per month. We have already identified 4,000 businesses that fall under our sweet spot. We are doing direct sales to them currently. Our freemium model will be available in Q2 next year. And some of the channel partnerships with the service providers will be in place by mid-next year. We are following monthly revenue recurring model. So less than 5 servers, you have a free plan. For larger than 5 servers, we are charging between 3 to 5% of the cloud spending per month. Currently, we have 15 beta customers, several of which are already paying. We have full pipeline of customers that are ready to onboard. And with only last 3 weeks of being in beta, our initial customers have identified 15 to 65% of the cloud savings and also have increased their revenue. So we have a bunch of number crunching people who love to do analytics and build technologies around it. We have not only worked together in the past and also successfully delivered cutting-edge technology solutions and appliances before, but also have PhDs and have more than 100 research papers in the relevant field. And this is why we can build the technology, which is a generational leap over the existing approaches today. Our seasoned advisory board has decades of experience in running successful businesses, B2B operations, and had multiple exits in the past. Today, we are raising $1 million, some of which is already committed from the current angel investor. This will allow us to build out our sales and marketing team to acquire over 200 customers over the next year. We'll secure our IP patents. We'll complete our solution for Amazon Cloud and also extend our solution to OpenStack Cloud. So that's Cloudamize. If you think the business that can deliver on the promise of the cloud is compelling, come talk to me. Thank you.